This is our KOE tool and cutter grinder. It's a model B2060 TL. It's got a motorized work head that is variable speed by step pulley. It's got a 4 Morse taper in it. It also has a 5C collet closer with it that fits that taper. There's the wheel head, there's a center. There's a good assortment of tooling. There's a 4-jaw KOE chuck. There's a 3-jaw buck chuck that's an adjust true. Those are mandrels that fit inside of the workhead taper. There's a dresser and some fingers. Not a lot to see, but we will run it for you. This is for your table traverse, which is manual. This is your cross in and out. And this is up and down for your wheel head. The top table will swivel. It's been taken, actually the table was off, the sub table was off, everything was cleaned and lubricated, everything moves freely. I'm going to bring on the main spindle for you. This is forward. The only thing you hear rattling is the washer in there. It's got a forward and reverse. We're going to change direction. Now, the work head. Changing direction. This is our KOE tool and cutter grinder. Thank you for watching our video.